Hello students, in the previous lesson we have learned about star, planet, rotation, revolution, orbits, satellites and asteroids. In this video we will see gravity, space, Indian space mission and useful of man-made satellite. First of all we will see gravity. What is mean by gravity? Look at this picture. All heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or pull on one another. This force is called force of gravity. Sun, planets both have the magnetic force, but Sun use the force to attraction the planet toward itself. At the same time, the planets use the magnetic force to move away from the Sun. In this way, specific distance is created between Sun and each planets, and from each distance planets revolve around the Sun, and this force is called gravity. ग्रॅव्हिटी म्हणजे काय तर सूर्य आणि ग्रह ह्या दोघांमध्ये एक मॅग्नेटिक पॉवर असते आणि ही मॅग्नेटिक पॉवर दोघांना एकमेकांपासून खेचत असते. म्हणजे काय तर सूर्यामध्ये असणारी मॅग्नेटिक ऊर्जा ही अदर प्लॅनेट्सना त्याच्याभोवती खेचत असते आणि त्याचबरोबर ग्रहामध्ये असणारी जी मॅग्नेटिक पॉवर आहे ती सूर्यापासून त्यांना लांब ठेवण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असते. म्हणजेच काय ह्या सन आणि प्लॅनेट्समध्ये असणारी जी मॅग्नेटिक पॉवर आहे ती मॅग्नेटिक पॉवर मुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये एक स्पेसिफिक डिस्टन्स तयार होतो, एक कक्षा तयार होते. त्यालाच आपण त्या विशिष्ट कक्षेलाच आपण काय म्हणतो ऑर्बिट्स असं म्हटलं जातं. मोर डिस्टन्स बिटवीन सन अँड प्लॅनेट मोर ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स एक्झिट ऑन द प्लॅनेट्स. मोर डिस्टन्स बिटवीन सन अँड प्लॅनेट्स मोर ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स एक्झिट ऑन द प्लॅनेट्स. म्हणजेच काय तर प्लॅनेट्समध्ये असणारा मॅग्नेटिक फोर्स हा जितका जास्त तो तेवढा सूर्यापासून हा लांब असतो. जेवढा मॅग्नेटिक फोर्स हा प्लॅनेटमध्ये जास्त तेवढा तो सूर्यापासून लांब असतो. डू यू अंडरस्टँड ग्रॅव्हिटी? ग्रॅव्हिटी मीन्स ऑल हेवनली बॉडी exert a force of attraction or pull one another. This force is called force of gravity. Do you understand gravity? Now we will see space. What is meant by space? The emptiness between and behind the star and planets is called space. The emptiness between and behind the star and planets is called space. Emptiness म्हणजे काय मोकळी जागा किंवा पोकळी. Man is always thinking what is in the space, what is on the Mars, what is on the moon. With this curiosity he discovered rocket. What is rocket? You know the rocket in Diwali? When we light the rocket, the fuel in the rocket create opposite force to the ground. In the same way, the scientists use the heavy fuel so that the rocket directly go in the space, so that the man will make the research on the planets. Do you understand rocket? In some mission, scientists also travel in spacecraft. They are called astronaut. Astronaut means in some missions, scientists also travel spacecraft. They are called astronaut. Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams is Indian astronauts. Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian astronaut to go into space in 1984. Now we will see Indian space missions. Chandrayaan is the most important space mission of India. On 22 October 2008, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, it means ISRO, launched a spacecraft on the moon. The mission is known as Chandrayaan First. Now Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan means MOM means Mars Orbit Mission. MOM means Mars Orbit Mission. It was launched on 5th November 2013. Do you understand? Indian Space Mission. Now we will see man-made satellites. Use of man-made satellites. Man-made satellites provide useful information for agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, making map, searching for water. They are also used for telecommunication. They can remain in space for many years. Do you understand? Gravitational force, space, Indian space missions and use of man-made satellites. So, in this way, we have finished in lesson our Earth and our solar system. So, let's meet in next video. Bye.